Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're making everything onion buns. Tender Kaiser rolls studded with sautéed onions and topped with everything seasoning. Our buns today start by melting unsalted butter. Once hot, add diced onion along with salt. Sauté over medium heat until softened and slightly caramelized. Remove from the heat and allow to cool to room temperature. And while your onions are cooking and cooling, it's a good time to mix together the everything topping. It starts by combining together poppy seeds, sesame seeds, dried garlic, dried onion, and sea salt. We can also start our dough while the onions are cooling. So I have here warm water, and you want it to be about 95 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. And to the warm water we'll add sugar and dry yeast. Give it a stir and allow to bloom for about 10 minutes. Blooming the yeast first helps to dissolve the dry yeast as well as make sure it's alive and well. So to the yeast, we'll add in the cooled sautéed onions, add half of the bread flour, 1 large egg at room temperature, salt, and softened butter. And give it all a good mix. Place on your stand mixer fitted with a dough hook. And then we'll gradually add the remaining flour about 1/4 cup at a time, allowing it to fully absorb after each addition. And give the bowl a scrape once or twice. And the dough should be soft and just a little bit tacky. We'll go ahead and scoop our dough into a lightly oiled bowl and turn it a couple times to form into a ball and coat evenly in the oil. Cover and allow to rise in a warm, draft-free area until double in size, about 60 minutes. Deflate the dough and turn out onto your work surface. Next, you'll want to divide the dough into 12 equal portions, and I do like to use a scale for this. This just ensures that they bake evenly. You're looking for about 88 grams each. Once your dough is divided, you can really roll them into any shape that you like, but today we're going to do a Kaiser roll. It starts by rolling a portion into a long rope, about 14 inches long. Sprinkling the rope lightly with flour prevents it from sticking while you're trying to tie it. Tie the rope into a knot, tucking in both ends, one end over and one end under. Place on a parchment-lined baking tray, cover loosely with oiled plastic wrap or a clean, damp kitchen towel, and allow to rise until puffed and almost doubled again in size. Whisk together a room temperature egg along with a small amount of water to help loosen it. Brush the rolls evenly with the egg wash and sprinkle with the everything seasoning. Bake in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove to a cooling rack, removing the parchment and allowing to cool. Today's rolls were rolled into a Kaiser knot. However, Recently, a commenter on the blog suggested to roll them in a hoagie shape and serve as a beef dip. It's a wonderful suggestion and I couldn't agree more. If you like today's rolls, you may also like my garlic parmesan monkey buns, which will be coming up next. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.